there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive headfirst into the tech jungle, wrestle with the gadgets, and come out with the best buys for you. Today, we've got a drone duel that's going to be more thrilling than a cat video marathon. On the left, we have the Holystone HS430, the mini beast. And on the right, the istone 5, the budget breaker. Let's see which one will soar to victory. First up, the camera. The HS430 comes packing a 1080p Wi-Fi camera. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket. You'll get good quality videos and photos, perfect for when you want to show off your drone skills or just spy on your neighbors. Kidding, don't do that. Reviewers say that the HS430's camera takes great still photos, although the video quality can be decent with a slight fisheye effect. Now, the istone 5 also boasts a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. This means you can capture those majestic aerial shots, or just take selfies from angles you didn't know existed. However, reviews are mixed. Some users found the camera quality poor with frequent interruptions, making it less reliable for serious photography. Next, let's talk battery life. The HS430 gives you nearly 30 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular LiPo batteries. That's more than enough time to crash into every tree in your neighborhood. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and the inclusion of 3 batteries for even longer play. The istone 5 matches that with its own 30 minutes of flight time. But here's the kicker, it's more expensive. Reviews suggest that while the flight time is similar, users have had issues with the drone flying off or losing connection, which could cut your fun short. Portability is next. And both of these drones can fold up smaller than your dreams after a bad breakup. The HS430 fits right in the palm of your hand, making it easy to take anywhere. It's like a tiny flying Harry Potter. Reviewers love how lightweight and easy to carry it is. The istone 5 also folds up and even comes with a carrying case. So if you're the kind of person who likes to keep things neat and tidy, this one's for you. But bear in mind, some users have found it difficult to control, which might affect its overall portability. Now, let's get to the fun stuff. Features. The HS430 is like a circus performer. High-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, gravity sensor mode, throw to go, headless mode, 1 key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, VR mode, view. I need a nap just reading that. Reviewers are thrilled with the variety of features that make flying fun and engaging. The istone 5 has its own bag of tricks too, including headless mode, 1 key start landing, hand gesture photo stas video, and altitude hold. Plus, it's got durable brushless motors, which means it's quieter and more powerful. However, reviews indicate that despite these features, the drone's performance can be inconsistent, with several users reporting issues with control and stability. Overall, the Holystone HS430 receives positive feedback for its ease of use, good camera quality, and impressive array of features, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the istone 5 has mixed reviews, with several users facing issues with control, stability, and camera quality, although it does have some strong points like its durable motors and portability. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS430, our pocket-sized performer, and the istone 5, our high-tech ninja. If you're on a budget and want a feature-packed, fun drone, the HS430 is your guy. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for some extra durability and a fancier camera setup, the istone 5 might be worth the splurge. Which one will you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buys. Until next time, keep flying high, smart buyers. And remember, buy smart, fly smart. Product links are in the description.